Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2010 Infiniti QX56. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side, stopping to look at the tires. Just going to be looking for dents, stings, scratches, anything that may not show up on camera. Missing a little cover right there. Little bit of scraping there, scratching at the bumper, really thin. One little dent there. Then as we come up the passenger side, you're going to see a couple little door dings here, little prior repair, just thin minor cosmetic issues, nothing major. Looking at the interior, you do get full power for the driver's seat. Seating surface is a nice black leather. 134,263 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM, satellite radio, navigation, all your climate control functions here, easy to get to. Heated front seats, nice wood grain trim, and then of course you're going to have tons of storage inside the center console there. All the flooring is going to be black. Pardon the mess I tracked in. Looking at the second row now, just do a nice slow pan over the seats. No signs of any rips or tears back here. You do get heat for your rear seat passengers as well as some additional cup holders there. Rear seat entertainment as well as air. Looking in the cargo area now, all your mats are included back here. This will be your cargo space when that third row is in its upright position. Very easily, the push of a button, you can put those down, out of the way, revealing a little additional cargo space. You can then lay that second row down, giving you full pass-through storage all the way to the back of the front seats. Coming in from the passenger side now, there is an integrated armrest here for a little added comfort in that second row. We'll go ahead and flip and fold the seats, revealing that access to the third row area there. Seating surface back here looks great. You do get a little additional storage up here as well. Finishing up in the front passenger seat, you get full power for the passenger as well as the driver. One more look over that seating surface. Going to take one more spin around the back. This model does have a sunroof as well, and that's going to wrap up your 2010 Infiniti QX56.